Okay, this is the Module 4 skills test entitled Kepler's third law, and you're going to see a little animation with planets going around the Sun. And notice that these planets are A, B, C, and D. And in the first question, you're actually asked to identify them. So the drop-downs give you 8 options, because there are 8 planets in our solar system. Obviously, there's a lot of extra choices here you're not going to use, so just keep that in mind. We only want the 4 inner planets of the solar system in question number 1. In question number 2, it asks you to match the distance of each planet, A, B, C, and D, from the Sun. And notice that there is a scale provided to you in the animated graphics, so that should help you in choosing the proper distance of each of these planets. Then you're supposed to rank them according to their orbital period, how long they take to orbit the Sun. And again, notice that you get to choose A, B, C, and D, and you also have to choose whether the one that has the smallest period. Essentially, you're ranking them. Do you want to? Is it going to be? Are you going to rank them less thans, or are you going to make them equal tos as far as the orbital period goes? When you get down to question 5 is another question that kind of follows on the previous one. When you get down to question 6, you'll see a graph. And this graph has the orbital period versus the distance of each planet from the Sun, what's called the semi-major axis. And you're supposed to use the graph to help to understand the relationship between these two variables. And then finally, the last question has a table, which again ranks the planets, or at least lists the planets, and their respective masses. And you're supposed to draw a conclusion based on that data.